back with another video featuring Nadula hair, y'all. And today, instead of us doing the ponytail like we did the last time, we did a ponytail with this hair, and it turned out cute. Some might think it was ghetto, some didn't like it, but I personally liked it. It was a timely inspired look. But today we are going to make a full wig. I would say 4 bundles of 20, 22, a 24, and I think a 26 inch is what I use for the ponytail. 4 bundles in a closure. This isn't a frontal, a closure. And we're going to bleach the knots on this one. I don't know if this is a 4x4, but I will leave the links in the description right below. I'm going to bleach this just so it can look according to my skin, and then I'm going to also, not on camera, but I'm going to go water full of tea. Recommend a tint dye. Let me know in the description right below because I would love to try it. Thing I'm going to grab is my BW2, which is right here, y'all, and I'm just going to grab a little bit of it because we don't need that much for this little bitty frontal. Make sure you do this with gloves. Take now is I'm going to take my 30 volume developer and do a 20. I wanted to do 30 just so it can sit on there for a little bit so that it can get brown. So I'm just mixing it up, as you can see over there. The consistency is too watery. You don't want a watery consistency. Okay, so perfect consistency right here. It's getting thick, and that's all you have to do. If it gets too runny, just add more of that BW. Always have to get that right tool to make it blend. What you do is grab some of that, and you're going to lightly apply it. Lightly spread it. Lightly spread it. It's 3:20, so about 3:30 I'm going to wash this out, and that's about it. See you guys when it's time to pluck.